Let's start on the first step, installing the frame. Our doors and frame are already out of the package, so we'll start by assembling the door frame.
We'll assemble this with screws and a screwdriver. Then we'll make sure that there's one copper crush washer on each hinge. We'll set our shims in the lower corners, place our frame on top of those, and secure the frame loosely to our rough opening with a few screws. Make sure that your screws are loose enough to where you can still make adjustments with shims as you need. After this, we'll level our door frame. Now we're ready to hang our doors. Just like we've done for this entire process, we'll always go from the inactive side to the active side. We'll use a moving blanket underneath our door to protect it. Our new modular system has countless options for different side lights and transoms that you can add to your space. Our specialized hardware makes adding whichever side lights or transoms that you choose quick and easy.
Follow along for more helpful tips, how-tos, and inspiration ideas with Pinkies.